Giving back to the game is something that many of our former players willingly do when asked. We joined former Bok utility back Thinus Delport on a journey back to South Africa from the UK, where he now lives, with an exciting UK-based rugby initiative, Project Zulu.
Oh, it's great to be back in Natal. I forgot how hot it is in the summer, but wonderful soaking up the atmosphere, especially here today in Maradeni Township, and seeing everyone enjoying rugby. And as an ex-rugby player and passionate about rugby, it's great to see everyone at grassroots level getting involved, and especially in Natal, which is such a hotbed of rugby.
It was Thinus who suggested they travel to northern KZN.
So Project Zulu is a UK charity based at the University of the West of England, and through a contact at the university we were introduced to Thinus back in 2013, and it was through Thinus we've made multiple new contacts, including Lincoln, and therefore we were able to link with the Sharks rugby development team and the KZNRU.
Yeah, Project Zulu was started by a man called Ben Knight, who came out here when he was a student teacher, found the hospitality so wonderful that he decided to give back to the community. He started various fundraising projects to better the learning facilities for the school. Hopefully in the following up projects will be to introduce rugby more to the schools. We're very happy that in the cluster of 6 schools that are now involved in Project Zulu, we've introduced rugby over the last 2 weeks to 5 new schools. So bringing both the education part and rugby to the schools in the greater Maradeni Township. So very happy to be involved, and hopefully this can grow and become a bigger project year on year. I've seen some wonderful talent here already today. It's marvellous to think some of these young people have only played rugby for a week, and I think the main challenge is really the facilities. Then it's also about the coaches going out there and volunteering their time to develop the young people. But they've all embraced rugby. They're very excited about it. You can see the enjoyment levels are way up there, and it's wonderful to see young people taking part in rugby and making such a wonderful spectacle today.
Yeah, it was very much brilliant. The kids that were watching were screaming all over, they were running all over, and the players themselves. They really enjoyed very much, and I hope the schools will continue playing. And I've been approached by other schools that came and visit and watch, that they want to take part in this type of a game, check rugby.
I enjoyed the rugby because I wanted to play with this school, that my school can win, and also I wanted to support my school to win.
Rugby is my sport, I love it, and maybe I think it is a gift for me.
Hopefully in August, summertime in the UK, some rugby students from the University of West of England will come out, will be hosted here, and they will also further the rugby coaching in the local schools. So it's a project running year on year and by the university, so the sustainability is there, and hopefully this will grow year on year, and you never know, it might be able to roll out bigger every year.